another James. I think it is the Kohinoor. This is also a steam engine, I think. Yeah, it is a toy train. Beautiful, beautiful. It is the rounded.
We meant to be in the great outdoors.
Hi friends, I am Dev Ode. You are watching my channel. Bhava Gode. Visit my channel here on YouTube and subscribe my channel if you like my contents to get further notification of same like content. Thank you. Darjeeling, Himalayan Queen's, one of the gems of the Queen's Crown. So it is one of the visitable place here, and it is the highest altitude railway station. And thereafter, you will find the Darjeeling, and here is a loop that is called Batashia Loop. And Batashia Loop, one of the highest railway track of the world. You can see buildings, European style buildings. This is one of the beautiful railway station. The essence of European engineering style here, with the red bricks and iron bars, iron arches, and some wooden planks, decorated with wooden planks. Beautiful conjunction. This is the road going to Manebhanjan and Lepcha Jagat, and this road going to Darjeeling.
You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Amazing round railway track. One of the excellence of British civil engineering. We are going towards the Batashia Loop. You may know Batashia Loop, one of the highest altitude railway track, that is Batashia Loop, and thereafter we will be reached there at Darjeeling. Amazing thing you can see. It is the Batashia Loop, where the train just surround it, just round it and go there. Thereafter Darjeeling. It is a beautiful thing to enjoy. It is a beautiful, beautiful thing to enjoy. It is the War Memorial here, and it is the rounded railway track. You can see it is the rounded railway track.
Maximum 15 kmph.
4 times.
Darjeeling to Ghum and back. Steam engine 1500, 1000.
1000.
Diesel and 2 steam.
And one have to book the ticket from Darjeeling and online only. One thing, sir, probably when it will come to serviceable from NGP?
I think 1 week after 1 week.
Today you can see behind me, it is the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway toy train. It is a joy ride. I am really excited to share you my experience. It was a diesel engine, but two type of engine is here. One is coal engine and another is diesel engine. So it is one of the highest altitude railway track and railway station is Ghum, and we are heading towards Darjeeling, and just left the Batashia Loop here. And I have talked to all the passengers. They are almost they came from Maharashtra, and all they are enjoying their trip. It is one of my memorable joyride. I have came here several times, immense. I can count it, but this is my first time here when I have take the joyride here, and this is my one of my memorable thing. You must visit here. You know the Darjeeling get the title that is the queen of the hill. There are several hill stations are there in India like Almora, Dehradun, Shillong, etc. But only the Darjeeling got the title of queen of the hill. And if the queen, there is a crown also. So crown, there is a several gems. One of is that is the Tiger Hill, and another that is Darjeeling Himalayan Railway Track. That is the another gems. I think it is the Kohinoor. It is the Kohinoor. Consider it as a World Heritage Site also. And so you never forget to visit here in this toy train. Thank you. If you like my channel, if you like my content, I am Bhavo Gude, I am a raw traveler. You must visit my channel here on YouTube and subscribe my channel if you like my contents to get further notification of same like contents. Thank you. It is beautiful to see it is Darjeeling city from the toy train window. It is the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, and it is one of the highest altitude railway track, that is 7,400 at around 7,400 feet altitude height. And I have just crossed the Batashia Loop, one of the highest railway tracks. It is beautiful to see from the toy train window. One pine forest. One side you can see, one side pine forest, and another side the cityscape view of buildings. All the buildings are looking just a teeny boxes. It is beautiful to look. One side is green, another side is different color, multicolor buildings there. You can see the left side is green, all the green pine forest there in left side, and just you will see, I doesn't know whether you can see from my teeny lens here at my action camera, but I can see the beautiful view of cityscape. Just see the beautiful view of cityscape here. You can see the multicolor building. You can see the monastery here. One of the old monastery. I have visited here 2 years before. It is one of the beautiful monastery. Just see, this is the steam engine. The engine restoration work was there at morning. I have visited here and photograph also. This is also a steam engine, I think. Yeah, this is a steam engine. I will also show you. Where are you from?
Pune.
Pune. You are from Maharashtra all.
Yeah, but we're Bengali.
Oh, okay. How do you like it?
Lovely.
Lovely.
What's your channel name, sir?
My channel name is Ami Bhavo Gude. It is Ami Bhavo Gude.
Well, what is the use of this? What is heritage? You are looking to shoot only heritage properties?
No. I am a raw traveler. I am always look to the linear people, that is staying there at the remote areas like tribals and anything.
Okay.
Here I am in a special purpose. That is the toy train. So oh, it is my compliment.
ये हमारा भी
Just I have completed my ride. You can see I have completed my ride with the diesel engine, and it is, I suppose it is a coal engine. Yes, I got it. It is my first love. I got it a coal engine, and you can see the steams coming from there. Oh, it is beautiful to see. I am almost excited. I am almost excited. You can see the steam coming from the steam engine. You will never find it anywhere in the world. That is, the steam comes from the steam engine. It is a coal steam engine. It is beautiful to see. It is beautiful to see steams come from a steam engine. Steam railway engine, you can't find it anywhere from the world. It is only the steam engine here. You can find it here at Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. It is here. I am here at Darjeeling. It will be go there, Ghum, via the Batasia Loop, one of the highest altitude railway track here. It is one of the World Heritage Site. UNESCO consider it as a World Heritage Site from its beauty of the track, beauty of the railway, beauty of the engine looks, all the things around.
What's your channel name, sir?
My channel name is Ami Bhavo Ghude. A-A-My Ami. This is Bengali name.
Okay.
Ami Bhavo Ghude. A-A-My Ami.
Just wait a minute.
সেদিন থাকবো তারপরে গিয়ে শুটিং হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
আমি
আমি ভব ঘুরে BHA ভব ঘুরে
Okay.
पिक करना जब तक
আমি ভব ঘুরে Hi friends, I am Dev Hore. You can see me here, Ami Bhabogure, in my YouTube channel. I am here at Darjeeling Railway Station, that is Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, DHR. UNESCO considered it as a World Heritage Site, and it is one of the highest altitude railway track, 7,400 feet height altitude. And the Batasia railway track, that is the highest altitude railway track there. And here I am here at Darjeeling railway station. Darjeeling, you may know, Darjeeling got the title of Queen of the Hill, and one queen must have the crown. So there are different gems, Queen's crown, and I think it is the Kohinoor, the diamond, the biggest diamond, that is the Darjeeling Himalayan railway track. I have just take my ride here, and it is my beautiful experience. I would like to suggest you, whenever you come to Darjeeling, you must consider to take a ride here with this railway track. It is serviceable 4 times from Darjeeling. You have to book a ticket with online or from Darjeeling. There are 2 types of engine here. One is diesel engine, another is coal engine, and you must take the ride from coal engine. You can see the steams coming from here. You can never ever seen. This is steam come from the engine. It is beautiful. It is also a unique thing. It is also a rare. Hi. কোথা থেকে?
24 পরগনা, ক্যালকাটা,
ক্যালকাটা, ফাইন।
হাবড়া, কুমা,
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
কোনটা লাইন?
এটা প্রথমবার এই ট্রেনে
প্রথমবার।
উঠছেন? ফাইন। Where are you from?
I'm from Kolkata.
Kolkata. Oh, it is your first time here?
No, and I've already done Joyride also.
Oh,
And
you're.
once I've come from Siliguri to Darjeeling also in Kolkata.
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
This is my 3rd time actually.
How do you like this?
It's amazing. Where are you from?
I am from Kochia.
Kuchbihar.
Yeah.
like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful.